Yeah. Yeah. Let's work, man. Okay. Look. Niggas think I'm slipping cause I'm sipping while I'm whipping, but I'm gripping on the smithing and I shoot it with precision. I'd rather them catch me with it than niggas catch me without it. Got the eye of the tiger, my OG say young and bout it. I smoke good, I tote good, it's hectic on my city streets. Sell out on the regular and I ain't talking shoe release. Got them lined up off the early like it's a new release. Smoking all we do is chief. Guns it might be 2 or 3. Ain't too many real niggas left, but it's a few with me. All these niggas shoot with me, they love me so they shoot for free. Niggas think that snitching shit cool, man, that shit new to me. Real nigga, I'm true to me. First in all my niggas. Rest in peace to my fallen soldiers, bust guns for the ones still with us. I'm a self-made nigga, cause I got it on my own, son. Too many niggas talking about 30s when they don't own guns. I'm David Ortiz of the trap, I'm hitting home runs. It's all black, everything. Had a couple chrome guns. Thinking I'm lick, you mistaken, you got the wrong one. They say my heart gon' be the death of me in the long run, but till the long run, I'ma be gripping on the long gun with baby carrots all in the clip. I give them more some, but I'm on some money shit. Savages I'm running with. Told them things 365, ain't gotta run and get. Chopper your tummy zip, daddy and your mommy hit. Think before approaching me and mine, some dummy shit. I'm not a rapper, I'm a trapper, you can catch me with a bag at. Long night shooting dice told, baby girl to stash that. Always on my toes so I know where my ass at. I'm about to roll a fat ass J and check the NASDAQ. That's where, Lefty. Yeah. Yeah.